Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, I will be showing you a raw video of the test ride. No, I won't be talking much. If you want to know my opinion about riding this bike, there will be a separate video. But in this video, I'll just ride and you can hear the sound of the engine and actually get a feel of like virtual feel of you riding the bike. So let's go. 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go. Sorry? Not really.
Not yet?
No.
Good?
Yeah.
Good, bye.
Nice.
Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.